Adrian, the FX7 Linear from ANCA. Just briefly tell us what the machine's all about, please.
Yeah, so this is a grinding machine for carbide or high-speed steel tools. It's a 6-axis machine. At EMO this year, it's the new 19 kilowatt version. So inside it has 6 wheel packs. It can load tools and unload tools. And yeah, this year we're also premiering in our new Laser Ultra.
So in terms of the new bits, the spindle, you say it's an increased spindle. How much more power has it got than its predecessor?
Yeah, so the old version of the FX7 was 12 kilowatt. This is now 19. So you get tools off quicker, and you still remain with the accuracy.
And for the people that are unaware, linear technology from ANCA, it's been around a few years now, but the surface finish is still stunning. Is that still the case even with this more grunt in the spindle?
Exactly. Nothing's changed in that respect. ANCA's own Linex motors on all our machines give increased surface finish, and the reliability is unbelievable. 5 years now, and we're still not a single failure in the market.
And I just want to come back to the machine, tiny little footprint, and I must admit I love the automation system, a little fan-out robot, and I don't know how many tools you can load in there, probably 200-300. Literally, this thing would run all day on its own.
Absolutely. And then with the increase of having now the Laser Ultra, you can hold up to a micron tolerance through a batch of tools.
So just on that laser from Blum, what we're trying to achieve by that, obviously, get almost inspecting the parts on the machine so you know it's correct before it comes off.
Correct. Automation is key. If you're going to be doing lights out manufacturing, you need to maintain your accuracy, you need to maintain your tolerance. So with the Blum laser, we had the previous one was the Laser Plus. The Laser Plus was fantastic, and it maintained that the customers could get products without having to worry about taking the tools out of the holder. So what this allows you to do is maintain that, but even faster now. You could scan the tools as opposed to doing point to point, so it's about 70% faster than its predecessor.